150.
Hi, today I'm going to be unboxing an iPhone 14 Pro Apple phone. Let's see what is in here. And this is the deep purple color, and this is how it looks like. Now let's take this part off. It's really shiny. And then there's the charging wire right here. And all these things. And there's even a sticker that comes with it. So that is it. Bye.